There are many resources available to learn Python in 5 days, but here are some of the best ones. Python Crash Course Book. This book covers the basics of Python programming and provides hands-on exercises to practice what you have learned. 1. Online courses. There are many online courses available that provide step-by-step guidance on learning Python, such as Learn Python, the complete Python programming course. 2. Interactive tutorials. Interactive tutorials such as the Python Interactive course from Programize provide a hands-on learning experience and allow you to practice coding while learning. 3. Official Python documentation. The official Python documentation provides a comprehensive guide to the language and its features. 4. YouTube tutorials. YouTube channels such as Corey Schaefer and Programming with Mosh provide beginner-friendly Python tutorials that cover the basics of the language.